What's up, guys? This is going to be a super quick tutorial on using SDL2 to get a simple rect onto the screen. So let's get into it. This first chunk of stuff is just set up for getting a window and renderer open. This is the first important part right here where we declare our rect and we set up its X, Y position, and also its height and width. Now we get into our main function and create our window and renderer. And we move on to our game loop. And we have just 4 function calls that matter to the rect. First, we set the renderer to brown with SDL render draw color. This color will be inherited by our rect. Then we draw and fill our rect with SDL render draw rect and SDL render fill rect. And finally, we set the renderer color back to black. And if we run our code, we should see that our brown rect is in the top left corner. And that's all for this one. I'll leave you with 2 homework problems. The first is to make some more rects that are different sizes, colors, and in different locations. And the second harder question that will require some internet searches and the SDL2 docs is to use render copy X to rotate a rect. And that's all for this one. Hope this helps you out with whatever you're working on. Good luck out there.